Hello, my name is Sungi, and I will be doing Chapter 2, Question 25 and 26. So for 25, for each option, describe how you use your DGE to determine a location for the stadium, include a screenshot. Also, for each option, compute the cost for road construction and resurfacing. So first, let's check option number 1. Place a stadium that the same distance from each of the three cities. If this option is selected, the state will need to pay to build 3 new highways for each stadium. So the cost of building new highways is $125,000 per mile. Now let's first figure out the distance. Now I have already set the distance. So how I did it was I did the midpoint for each highway, and then I create an intersection from R to here, and then the two. So what I did was I did the smallest angle to the smallest length. I made sure that connect, because then it'll create the well, not the longest, but yeah. So that way we can have our half of the triangle from the long side. And then what I did was I did the midpoint of the two longest sides, and that's how I create my distance to get an equal distance. Now let's label these. Let's just call this one Highway M, Highway K, and Highway L. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to measure distance. So distance Z to M. Wait. 14 centimeters. All right, next one. And that the cost is $125,000 per mile. So what I'm gonna do is, oops, wrong one. I'm going to get my calculator, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add up 17.62 plus 14.07 plus 14.95. Now our total distance will be 46.64. Now I'm going to times that by $125,000, and the total is $5,008,030. Alrighty then. Now I'm going to put it right here for something we can remember. The existing highways would need to be resurfaced and new highways built from each existing highways to stadium. We have to resurface the existing highway. Now that's a tricky question, because if you're from, for example, City D, then you have to take this highway then down here. But if you're from City C, then you have to take this highway to down here. So what we have to do is we have to add up the perimeters. So 11.1 centimeter plus 28.5 centimeter plus 32.2 centimeters. That will give us 71.8 centimeters. We must multiply that by 50,000. And we get 3,005,590,000. So let's go over here. This is for the highway total. So 3,000. Resurfacing the existing highway. Now then, all we need to do is measure these. we need to do now is so in total, that would give us, wait one moment. One moment, please. Okay. What? One, two, three. Oh, wait, I messed up. Sorry. Plus 3590123. In total, that would give us 6,152. Sorry, 152,000. So, if I had to consider between these two options, I would go with option number one because it's the cheapest and the quickest way to go from the city to the stadium. Thank you very much.